Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Greetings from us to you wherever you are. Always remember is the journey. Medi Eddie Abena Ghana. Mena medi jumadi ehochame and menyamini abema strong kokra ewa hase eye Frank Nero and ye nini baba chuchin komo na ye bisane so no kra ni journey no. So far saying enaye how enani journey no aye say ye nini ebe chuchin komo. Stay tuned in Kobebia. Papa Akwaba. For your journey and how you started to be an actor, and then inspire you so far to be a musician. I say entertainment man with the power.
Yeah, Ghana mami Abena meda was like na my chair I share for you now share the journey. You see this program your program FA and me so my first time when I kwenya platform using me journey ni started way back Kumasi and me from way back in him say me started moving na me shop. Like me fan said President Kufuor timer obedi president that time when me register na me school no na me obi a me pe me nim ball pa until up to now ball no crowd those who know me know say me pe football me nim ball ni ball until na me height in ndimbo ame so na school ni attire drama any church Sunday school or Saturday play drama no. Into no not a do that time now. Like me bought me homework home. So the buy and he said sometimes me you know one and me say no, there's something different aside a football no. It will be more acting. Okay. So I didn't think I mean fan cameo. Before that and so now papa bi na opema sempa on the next sponsor am kakra o football nim. No ka tell say me height ni ni ade ade me focus to school. Yeah, and to cancer no. I'm so okay. Me the margin be school any acting so. Timothy say ton forms radio shows that time. And I'm Kokotobi. Tim Kokotobi no. That was when acting journey no here they started here. Until started no every Sunday we have call rehearsals which ya said we nim no betia dues near there. It you know within be 1.5 year. Na me nya chance interest in it. Wow. And I say in your camera, major camera be a rehearsals. Yes, because the minimum was good. And a boy, because for now I mean you can say I didn't need hope him. Confess and before say obenya chance act no. Obe call rehearsals. Ama one kasa na do ho akoso person on act o nye say producer and director be na afro. And
there was nothing like social media now. But it wasn't that strong.
You are crazy for the work. Adwuma ne ye wo de every Sunday be an utu all fair transportation baby a otiaba. Ebi wo kra otimi ko rehearsals kra that week no nya be nye because he doso.
The journey was tough.
Tough. It's you know first time I nya me first rehearsals yes that time no me batch. Me batch na it was Kwakumeno, Salinko, Sunsum, Amesewa. Wayosi was my senior, Ejako. And you know, na easy into me first. Rehearsals be or rehearsals grand. And I director be by us. No, Charlie. Charlie bibi o mimu. And na ye kocha fache fi ponko. And na e cast me. Ni de me shame. Into me call ye me kocha be 5 scenes or kakra bi. Me buy pattern for na me happy wo dak me be fi ma be yo bo yi move no 1 and 2 esi me fie fo asere me dak ya ju sikedi wa bless ade bia 1.5 year me nya kan it wasn't easy first no na me ni Kwakume no people used to know say me ni Kwakume no ye nua you see and ye nua ti say ye yonko show nua so that time me ni Kwakuye nante ye bo posters nko fo posters pa aja ko ni e bo mu posters nti me da sorry na me am sun koko do you know koko you watching me porridge and I'm at
porridge
porridge oh yeah, I'm good me swa koko na kwaku poster ne da kwaku
wow
Intino, Mimi da sorry I'm who say me madam will be trotro ni mo. I get that feeling. Me three me sana trotro for the hear me. Ghana mami, the feeling was so different. Like not like it's like say driver ninja. There me see here. Hey, me see baby na ese me coming through here. Me see ko jina hwe no say. Yeah, me nie. Radam so no. Poster obitim in comforting ko twa poster ho no mo hwe.
Yes, yes. Until no ko jina ho no star ba.
Like no omo hwe me. No. Oh. Yeah, dum.
So through the journey of movie, acting, and I lead you now to the journey of music.
Yeah.
In the end for music, how was it?
Music is started my fan say 2018. Before that, 2017, 2018, no Kokumenu release album bi. Okay. Obeti Crown. Okay. It was like Yenam near location, a culture moving. Into you try moving in na time na me na me kokum say Kokumenu a time ni era no me na me no road manager. Okay. Into no near shooting or man crown so near sa another shoot wo Kumasi. Nti ye free man crown so by Kumasi. Nti enam na radio bi bo enwom mo ba na dru baby beat ni nko a nti mini kwaku nso ye na ma ye pedede pan. Nti kwaku ye beat no ye alo rap then tete for rap na bi na ye na ye fire get that Charlie massa ye bet ma ye bibi o Sadam so na me so me wadamfo engineer bi na ye gospel your friend big bag.
That was the time you discovered your other talents. You can sing.
Yes. Nti na me wadamfo bi ye gospel or ye gospel engineer your friend big bag. Okay. E crew from Kumasi. Nti no one am friend dey aki abakumasi always you know say an ho na me ni kwaku na ye drive call nti ye call no obubo we na anadwona ye nti mi anye nti ye kodae na kwaku friend bi a na say idea ni bass na say ni friend bi a friend Akalai on na e free crew ono so et music pa nti of friend ma kwaku sendi ni scan or buy ti anopa na ye call record obeti crowd
to kakra
crowd crowd no grind any audio crowd everywhere see the baby lewis no
obeti crowd beat na
so jani abo obi asuma obeti crowd crowd obeti crowd I am face refer lewis the baby
obeti crowd we try ho agent crowd so your bar is still the Yako akwaji enkrato aba afei na watsena sia wo hwedwumadie ya dwumadie din ekyote Jenny and my guest Frank Nero oye actor the se wasan ye musician and ye ne etwetwe nkomo on the Jenny papa what to kaka Neri
Ghana mami
how do you see the music industry as an actor joining the music industry
Ghana mami me can say music industry no a different tough a movie no.
What inspired you for you to say I want to be a musician?
It came from AME management.
Okay.
Time I koku a separate say yeah group music be.
Which management now which team?
Record
label. NK, that's good.
Yes.
Okay.
That was my first record label. Almost signing me.
So how was the feeling?
Serious, like massive because as a new up and coming musical artist, there's a record label. Because that time NKZ was all over in Ghana, and up to now, NKZ is a big record label. Your honor 1 year and so you know.
And you decided to
because now and maybe
and there might be a lot going on.
And they will send me separate. And the remember say a honor management and everything said no, and you'll be on a pet movie.
Yeah.
Sometimes on say we sign record label ya ma road manager DJ ni ade ade no sa team ni be me team
but yeah whole team okay
we share ideas together like we bibi anti dem me ka no omo respect it so omo the idea by say Charlie ade ni shift yenye BBC ni say ni focus ni more na anko music you know into the bass am so me gitu and the boy so that time you know and me who say no as an actor, me moving, the preachy.
Yes.
A call for no more free some situation be more different way, you know. Some music there, and you can say, mini music be a keke. I say music and me no and I nyuma me release bia na ye nyuma nyansa se bia ba wom ya the end no bi tie nyum na nyum ni sia
obenya afutu
bibi afrim said you show me moving now. Yes. So that was the whole idea. And me first after NK's me first single I me release here Abena featuring Kofi Kinata.
Oh my baby.
Abena how fair me mama super Abena eteke me manfa 1 day manfa 2 days manfa 1 manfa
it's a year
almost been 6 months.
6 months. Yeah. Oh, that was good to write.
Yes, Abena was something that happened to me and my life.
Our life. So yes. It's an inspiration.
Yes.
Okay.
And I decided that it does send me the better movie story. And I said, yeah,
but it's a great song. So it's in the movie.
Yeah, because so it's from start to end, you know, like and uti see from.
But a holiday you see, I've been there. That's it. As I say, oh, yeah, home kakra. I say, oh, baby, atima koma pen. Nero mi ni mama ni ame femu. Me ko ketesuwa mintu menna. Eduane toma noa enye me dekura. Inti wahima bena sewa. Odowa badia me mawakunya wate. I promise on my honor. Me do na ma do wonkwa. So just love me like nobody business. Wow. Osimi do wabine Abena anwo fedie Abena ko jami wode Nero mayama odo nye sika ene ahwo fe odo de tough Broken Heart am ko na me dey I don't know musicians say Broken Heart bar baby and I say inspire more to have those vibe but for drinking no bomber me
But many mama
kafra me you ha papa just no one kakra mama
I'm sorry
you are such a character you quickly were you dating my mesewa
no
I say yes no be worry cry
no
what's who yes who ye pa
Mercy I'm say me pen no be da me get say any type ni me
say any type ni dey na ye quick yeah, Kojin Krato and Kobevia is the journey. Afraid and our Nasia Osha Jumedia is the journey, and today I have a fantastic actor, musician, guest, Ewofiase Frank Nero, and it's Nasina and Komone Eddie. Okay, Yensha baby, if you had to come back to the world, movie, any music, which one will you choose first?
I would choose music.
Music over movie.
Movie. The black to too much.
Too much like the backbiting in some because I get it.
Yeah.
So to say, Obi wo hope so is a Frank Nero. Obi wo ha or me to be you. Obi wo ha wo inspiring too much. What will you tell the person?
It's good say program we are back Ghana mama. The journey. I think I can yensu. Yeah. Because Ghana mama journey nkofo journey unye ezo.
O ma pray.
Ghana mama me can't baby I'm free. Like my family, I'm okay.
Okay.
But I don't depend
on them. You are just you.
Yes. Okay. Me take me home at the age of 9-10.
That's great.
Good. To genuine be able to be men man will be distracted. Like just focus.
That's beautiful.
Yes. Never training away. Na one kasano inspire me. They be a me papa Samoan. Or say Frank Ghana one you buni di pa a chemi. Yes. That me need to see still. Yeah, I'm about kind of asem good in there and no any big contract. And like inspire me to be you. Yes. And they be a unnamusu be our person you know. So person on act here. Minty do be can. What book be what you your production there did you see credit. But to dream this person acted there is normal. Because what person on your music, you know, it be a open featuring be unya, open Frank now, open stone by unya no. Charlie, it's not easy. That be the genuine be that you also be nya.
But can't want some ama yet
yeah, Jesus Christ company of far quanos why I could do and no can genuine was you could do be buzamun you man day. But they can genuine. Yes. Can genuine story no. Yes. Wasi me buza unju wanya dey. One mama there's a one na brand unye nsu obenum so ya man.
Frank me da se one.
Nti genuine ni dey Jack en ntwitwi ye dey ewom ensu kom wom.
It's been amazing having you. You are just
you.
awesome.
Thank
With the journey so far. But we have a surprise for you. So thank you so much for honoring our call.
My God.
So this is the surprise. Thank you so much for coming. Is the journey.
Is it me? Is it me?
That is the journey, you know. Keep posting your things on your page, and
Charlie,
we will keep surprising you always.
Give him blow.
Charlie, poser.
Charlie, hey, wow, Charlie, I love it, Charlie.
Okay.
Yeah,
don't know about it. Okay, so it's been amazing having Frank Nero on the journey. Meaning, baby, I will be a winnie ajipa. I said I can see and come a trade and ponce. One my quine yet me at Nancy Edijumadi Ebro. Now what you be a special thanks to a Diva Strand and a mommy. Beautiful trouser. I'm looking so nice. And then Obaku Ventures na aslay me. I'm looking so fabulous. And then Minalin Touch na me makeup and Ages Dazzle na mommy, just a beautiful shirt. And you can also get it from Blazer Ghana on Instagram. Asada and Komaya sponsors, our #1 sponsors. Without them, there's no journey. And see, Mobompaya, Momobi my sponsors, not the Bia Muntimi, and so you're senior for Jumadi Embra. Me and me did Jumadi and Hocha, me being at the Abena Ghana. You can follow me on all social media platforms. Kai and our Trimbia is the journey on the same channel, same time, and Kobe Bia. God bless you.